guys, what's going on? I go back to the very beginning. We started the cardiology division here, so we have gone all the way from just a local hospital to a hospital that can do all types of advanced intervention.
I've been on staff at Shady Grove for over 33 years. Not only have I practiced medicine here, but I've had the luxury of having 3 of my daughters born at Shady Grove Hospital. Cardiac Associates is deeply embedded, and we're very supportive of Shady Grove Adventist Hospital. This is I think our main facility where we practice cardiology, and it's really our home base for practice of cardiovascular services.
I feel that I've given a lot of my entire career actually to this particular hospital and the system, and I'm trained as an interventionalist, but my biggest love is the actual maintenance of health and the return of the sick patient to full functionality. So for me, once we grew out of our old system, that I thought it was imperative that we had an advanced rehab center that could help a patient progress to their fullest potential.
Dr. Friedman and Dr. Goldberg have been huge supporters of our cardiac rehab, not only from referring patient standpoint, but by giving us any support we need here in the center, from any educational in-services that we need, to sitting down and talking to us specifically about their specific patients that are having problems in the center. They make themselves available 24/7 for this center.
Dr. Friedman and Dr. Goldberg, I think their support in our expansion has really allowed us to take a lot of avenues and be innovative in our center. And so we've been able to add a lot of service lines.
The Center for Fitness and Health encompasses cardiac rehabilitation, pulmonary rehabilitation, enhanced external counterpulsation, a very large maintenance exercise program, and we see patients who are going to have bariatric surgery, as well as after they have bariatric surgery, they continue with us. It's just a great place here. The staff are so committed and dedicated to our patients. Between Dr. Friedman and Dr. Goldberg, it really starts with them. They insist that patients come here to get the care, because sometimes patients are scared and it's the unknown about coming someplace to exercise, things that they've never done maybe before in their life.
What we advocate a lot is this is the beginning of their lifestyle change. So we want them to get the most out of the program, but we want to teach them how to continue this on their own and also how to adopt this as part of their everyday lifestyle. So we stress the education portion of it to really emphasize why it's important to eat right, to exercise, and to really listen to your body and to prevent yourself from any kind of further incidents. So we get to work with Dr. Friedman and Dr. Goldberg, who are absolutely just excellent in our program. They support our program tremendously, and I think that's where we differ from a lot of other places, where I think their support really brings our patients to a whole new level of care, and so I think that's the most important part of it.
The goal was to have an excellent facility to keep up with the excellence of the staff and the importance to the patient. We wanted them to feel comfortable coming here, that the facility and equipment was up to their standards, so that there was nothing holding them back from participating.
I think giving is something that we all think about. But when you look at a facility or a hospital trying to accomplish a major goal, philanthropy and giving funds to help that goal move forward becomes more easily done. I think Shady Grove has offered great programs, and I think it needs the support of the entire community. And I believe that that's the physician component that I try to serve on the foundation.
I think that if we can convince others to donate to their community, they can be reassured that we will have the resources to build the facilities to support their caregivers, which is critical.
Monies that we give only enable our patients and our hospital to move forward. And I think that's the gift that we all want to give.
The Adventist Healthcare Shady Grove Medical Center Foundation is pleased to present its 2014 Outstanding Physician Award to Dr. Dan Goldberg and Dr. Dennis Friedman.